Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we would like to see the program to sort the string based on frequency. For example, the input given string is hi, hello, hi everyone. We have to print the in ascending order based on count. For example, in this case, everyone is uh, everyone count is one, so print everyone. Then hello count is also one, so it print hello. Then hi count is two, so it will print after everyone hello hi. The output should be like this. Based on frequency, it will get shorted and print. Let's begin with our program. As usual, we get a input string. Like consider this example. Hi one. Hi everyone. Everyone. Hi. Hi. Hello. The output should be expected output. Expected output for this program is hello. Everyone. Everyone. Hi. 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 Like this, the output will get print. First, we split the string and store it in string array. String SAR is equal to S1 dot split of space. By splitting space, each value will get stored in a string array, like S error of 0 equal to hi, SA error of 1 equal to everyone, SA error of 2 equal to everyone. Likewise, it will store like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like each word will get stored in the string array. After that, we declare two array lists. One of type string, another is type of integer. For string, it will store the word hi, everyone, everyone, hi, hi, hello. In integer, the element count, the word count will be get stored. For that, we declare two array list. Array list, integer, name, new array list. After that, we iterate an array and store the word in a first array list A1 string. It will get for I equal to 0 as error of 0 is what? Hi. So in A1, hi will be stored. Then 1 for I is equal to 1, everyone will get stored. Then for I equal to 2, everyone will get stored. I equal to 3, hi will be stored. I equal to 4, hi will be stored. I equal to 5, hello will be stored in an array list, string array list. After that, again we iterate a array list A1. For first iteration, I equal to 0, we get count using collection dot frequency method. It is an inbuilt method collect in Java. For syntaxes collection dot frequency of array list name, array list dot get of that element. For example, for first iteration, I equal to 0, I equal to 0, IA will store collection dot frequency of array list. I equal to 0 means here high. High frequency in array list one is A1 is 1, 2, 3. AL dot get of 0 equal to hi which count is 3. So IA equal to 3. After that, it checks a condition. It checks a condition that second array list A2 contains 3. If it is an empty array list, as of now, it does not contains 3. So it satisfies the condition and it will enters uh, A2 in A2 element 3 will have. After that, the loop get iterated when I is equal to 1, the same way for I is equal to 1, AL dot get of 1 is everyone. It's count everyone count. This method returns collection dot frequency returns count of everyone, which is 1, 2. So count will 2. Now IA is 2. It checks that A2 contains IA. A2 contains only 3, not 2. So it will, next iteration, it will add 2. After that, when I is equal to 2, AL dot get of 2 is also everyone. Its count is 2. Now IA is 2. It checks the condition array list 2, which contains 2. As it's already contains 2, so it will not do anything. After that, the I will increment to 3. AL dot get of 3 is high. Which count is 3. Now IA become 3. It checks that 3 is already present in array list 2, as it's already present, so it will not do anything. After that, I will get incremented to 4. It is also high, so the same process will repeated. Then I get incremented to 5. Which is hello. Hello counters in the program is 1. So IA become 1. That AL2 dot contains 1. No, it's not contained. So array list 2 with 1. After that, the for loop get satisfy the condition, so it come from out. After that, we sort the array list 1. Array list 1, which contains the string, it will sort based on ascending order of element like HELLO, then hi, 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 everyone, everyone. It will sort according to alphabetical ascending order. After that, we sort the array list 2. It will sort that A2 becomes 1, 2, 3. After that, we iterate the array list 2, which is this array list we have to sort. For that, I equal to for enhanced for loop I equal to 0, we iterate the array list A2. In inner loop, we specify the condition j equal to 0, j less than array list at 1 size, j plus plus. For I equal to 0, I equal to 0, it get array list and array list dot get of 0. Array list 1 dot get of 0. So it will I equal to 1. For first iteration, I is equal to 1. It get each element in the array list 1, which frequency is 1, which matches the condition. It will print the element. For example, here I is equal to 1. For first condition, I is equal to 1. Collections dot frequency of array list 1, array list dot get of j. J is equal to 0. J is equal to 0. A1 dot get of 0 equal to hello. Hello. Hello count is hello count equal to 1. Hello count equal to 1. So the first element in array list 2 is equal to 1. Hello count is equal to 1. So it satisfies the condition. It satisfies the condition and print hello. After that, it's an inner for loop. So it satisfies for each condition. After that, hello, then hi will come. Hi count is 3, but I is equal to 1, not satisfied. Then hi come same 3, hi 3, everyone 2, which will not satisfy the condition. So the for loop I get incremented to next value 2. Now I equal to 2. I equal to 2. AL dot get of 0 is hello. Hello count is 1, so it will not satisfy. So J is equal to 1. It's high. High count is 3. So it will not satisfy. Then J is equal to 2. The same I made satisfy. J is equal to 3. It is also high, so not satisfied. Then J is equal to 4. It's everyone. Everyone count is everyone count is 2. Now I is equal to 2, count is equal to 2. So it satisfies the condition. So it will print everyone. After that, J loop get executed. I is equal to 3. For I is equal to 3, I is equal to 3 means J is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3. It's high. High count is 3. So it will print everyone. Everyone in the list is 2, so it will iterate everyone 2 times. It will get printed. Then now I equal to 3, count equal to 3. So for J is equal to 1, get high printed. J is equal to 2 also high gets printed. and j is equal to 3, also I get printed. Likewise, the program will work. Let's run the program. For that, I minimize it, or I run it down here. I just copy it. It will print it as hello 1 time, everyone 2 time, hi 3 time. That's all for today video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.